My people, una where don't they come my channel before? Una welcome back. If today not the first time where you reach my channel, say now today be the first time where you take your two kuro I see me. Now be this. Welcome to my channel. My name is Soma. Before I continue today's video, make I remind you now. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I do upload new video. Now so when I do well. So for today's video, I want to talk about how I want to talk and those of us maybe say we come off our country, we can't go another person's country, can't they try to survive. I want to talk about us. You know, say sometimes people know the sometimes people they forget say now many people wey travel go they stay for another man country, not be waiting they be dream for their life, you understand? Now something they make people travel. Everybody's story different though, but some people be say they go by themselves, or some people we say them. Even people say they just wake up, they just get one kind of work visa, or they get one kind of student visa, or the ones who say they pass Sahara Desert, the one who say they any style at all, we say they migrate, where they take no matter waiting, you get that. No matter waiting, many people, majority of people will travel, will go, they live for another person's country, they miss home. They miss home well. No matter waiting. You know why they talk this thing? So sometimes we go just say, you know, sometimes, especially those of us when they migrate to go another country, sometimes when you go experience all kind of things, you go say, I did my own country now, I'm not going to experience this kind of thing. They talk about like things like racism, where people go want to treat you anyhow because you be different color, all those kind of things. You know, different things they happen, you understand? Different things they happen. And sometimes that is where they happen, they make people miss home, or sometimes even person go just miss home. So now many things they make people miss home. One thing I know say they make person miss home sometimes now. Maybe if you go like let's say you go sometimes if you hear some kind of music, maybe say now the village music, or you know that kind of thing when you hear all the things that happen before go just they come back for your mind. If you they remember your papa, or they remember your mama, they remember your village, you know all those kind of things it happen. Like me now, I talk I grew up for Benin. Anytime I hear Benin music, sometimes if I hear music of person like Osayomore Joseph, my brain go just they remember things we don't happen before. Or if I hear Victor Wifo, you know my mind go just they go back. You know one Victor Wifo song where they always make my brain rewind sometimes. Where they always make my brain rewind. Now that song where you sing, what they call her now? What if you sing a song? I don't forget it, sing again because say. Then he gonna fair. How did they sing herself? I never sabi again. You go say na Jomi. No, I'm not go know that song. Na Joromi. Jomi Jo. La Joromi. Jomi Jo. Da Joromi. Jomi Jo. Da. I don't know the song again. Na. Jomi. I just remember now. I don't forget the song finish. You know, sometimes some kind of song where you go remember, your brain go just they rewind. You know, so I won't play this video for now. So this video, now video of one priest. Be like say na Catholic as I dey look at her. You know, say me I be Catholic before. I be Catholic before. You know, Catholic before, and I be able to. Sometimes when we go village, you know, say I not be Catholic again, but I dey still remember all the village songs because my papa they carry us go village every Christmas. Even though we grew up for Benin, every Christmas we dey go village that time. So I still sabi Catholic song and all those kind of things for Catholic music, kind of, you know, all those kind of things for village. So even till today, if I still hear all those Catholic music, they remind me of my village, remind me of my papa, you know, all those kind of remind me of, you know, Christmas, because at Christmas we always go village and all this kind of thing. You know, so which I just want to talk now how we say sometimes. You go see person where they abroad, they waka, they go work, he just they serious, they do your whole thing, just they still try. You know, everybody's story different. But no matter what thing carry they go abroad, sometimes you get something where you go just happen, you go just rewind your brain, go just they remember many things. You understand? Go they remember many things. You go make code, they catch you, go just touch your body. I want play on this video. I'm gonna watch this video. I'm gonna see what happen to this Catholic priest. This Catholic priest go. He be like saying a Catholic, he be. I be like saying a Catholic priest, but this priest, a Igbo priest, this man be. This man there for Switzerland. He can't go church this particular day now, as he won't do in sermon. As he day church now, as he won't do in sermon. Now in the choir can't sing. They can't sing a village song. I see this video for one channel here for YouTube that they call, which they call gospel media. Abi? Media gospel. Worship media. I'll see this video then I say I can share with you. Mukuna watch, mukuna see how the take shock this priest. Rewind the brain, come bring memories of before for this priest body for inside church for Switzerland. He won't start sermon for church and I all this Oyibo they call surprise am. They can sing in village Catholic song. Mukuna watch this video, mukuna see what happen. Nation. When I watch her catch me, catch me. I say me, I thought I be Catholic before. Even me, because as I the year, I dey remember my village, remember Christmas, remember when we be small pikin. The thing just, I really feel am. I see they, you know, as that priest today, they know say they transfer them up and down. No matter waiting, I feel say I feel say as they just they sing the song. The thing rewind the brain, I make and just begin to cry like that. You know, say what you don't expect. You don't expect them at all. So at the same time, I want to talk about, you know, sometimes when person are immigrant and all these things. Some people say to migrate easy. You know, too easy. Oh, you know, too easy. We know so many of us for our country we they run because of bad government and bad economy and our problem we will fool our country. No matter what, some people go say, lie. They don't go Nigeria again, lie for life. They know they miss Nigeria. Not lie. Not lie. They feel know they miss the up NEPA. They feel know they miss police bribe. They feel know they miss all that thing. But sometimes if you think inside your body, you know, it gets all kinds of things to say inside your heart. I want to explain. People say soul, inside your soul, inside body. You know, we be say you still know say that thing like me. If I reach my village, you know, see, Bini, I grew up for Bini, but because we they go village where we're so Bini not like home to me, but my village, nowhere for this world be like home like that. So when I watch that man video, I know how he feel because you don't know how many years I don't transfer this man. Whether I don't tell, he never take. As he did there, you know expect him at all. As far as the man know, I say, are they abroad? Now they abroad song they will soon sing. Now they begin sing a village song. The man look there like say, Well, you know, so you go be like what you they call out of how they talk out of body experience. It's like you go be like say, I dey dream. Where I did? Hey, my village. You know, so I imagine hey, my village. As they sing that song, if you be say your mama don't flash for your face, your papa flash for your face, if a village flash for your face, many the thing will go make grown man to cry like tata. You know, be small thing. Don't be small thing. Ordinary music, waiting your own. No, don't be saying that music. Your own people, your own language music from your village. Now they go see for you, especially as the man no expect her. So now that video I see, my people, I say make I can't share with you now. Una do I say una go watch my video. Until next time, my people. Now bye bye you. Now bye bye.